In this video, we'll see how to find areas of parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium and diagram having irregular shape. I will take first parallelogram, that is the diagram of parallelogram like this. A, B, C, D and BE is the height of that parallelogram. Also DF is the height of that parallelogram. AD and BC are the parallel sides and BE and DF both are the same in measurement. Okay, that is the formula. Area of the parallelogram is base into height. I will take first example. If base of the parallelogram is 18 centimeter and height is 11 centimeter, then find the area of the parallelogram. First I will take formula area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. In this example, directly get base into height. Area is equal to base. What is the base? 18 centimeter into height is 11 centimeter. Now make a product. 18 into 1, 18 ones are 18, remainder is 1, 18 ones are 18 and 9, 198 centimeter into centimeter, that's centimeter square or square centimeter. We can write like this, that is the area of parallelogram. Okay, example question number 2. If area of the parallelogram is 29.6 centimeter square and base is 8 centimeter, find its height. Okay, now solution. First take formula. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. What is the given part? Area is given and base is given. We have to calculate height. That's why height is equal to area divided by base, because that is in multiplication form. After shifting it will become base division. Area is 29.6 divided by, what is the base is 8, divided 8 3s are 24, remainder is 5 and 8 7s are 57. Okay, what is the height? 3.7 centimeter. That is the height. Number 2, rhombus. That is the shape of the rhombus. ABCD and BD and AC are the diagonal of the rhombus that are perpendicular to each other. That is the formula for area of rhombus is half into product of length of the diagonal. Okay, I will take first example. If length of the diagonal of the rhombus are 16.5 centimeter and 14.2 centimeter, find area of the rhombus. Okay, first I will take the formula of the area of rhombus. Area of rhombus is equal to half into, I will take diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Okay, that product of length of diagonal 1, rhombus having 2 diagonals. Okay, diagonal 1, diagonal 2. Now put the values. Half into first diagonal is 16.5 and second diagonal is 14.2. okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14.2 1s are 2. Okay, 16.5 into 7.2 and make their product, and that product is 7.50 and both the units are centimeter into centimeter, that is a square centimeter or centimeter square. Cross check this product. Now take second example. If length of the first diagonal of the rhombus is 30 centimeter and area of the rhombus is 240 square centimeter, find other diagonal. Okay, now solution. I will take first formula. Area of rhombus is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Okay, here diagonal 1 is given, we have to find other diagonal. Okay, I will take here diagonal 2 is equal to that area of rhombus, that 2 in division part, after shifting it will become in multiplication, and diagonal 1 is the in numerator and after shifting it become denominator, diagonal 1. Okay, put the values. Area of the rhombus is 240 into 2 divided by diagonal 1, length of the diagonal 1 is 30, that 0 0 get cancelled, 3 8s are 24, that is 8 into 2. So diagonal 2 or second diagonal is 8 into 2 is 16 centimeter. Now third, trapezium. That is the diagram of trapezium. A, B, C, D. A, B and C, D are the parallel to each other and AB and BQ are the perpendicular height of that trapezium. Okay, now formula. Area of the trapezium is equal to half into sum of length of parallel sides into height. What is the which are the parallel sides? AB and CD are the parallel side of that trapezium, and height AP and BQ are the height of that trapezium. Both are equal in measurement. Okay, now I'll take first example. In diagram ABCD, length of AB is equal to 13 cm, length of CD is equal to 9 cm, and length of PD is equal to 8 cm. Find area of the trapezium. Okay, length of AB is 13 cm, length of AB is 13 cm, length of DC is 9 cm, and PD is the height of that trapezium, that is the 8 cm. Okay, trapezium. Now I will take formula. Area of trapezium is equal to half into what? Sum of length of parallel sides into height. Okay, now put the values into sum of length of parallel side, which are the parallel sides? CD and AB, and measurement of AB is 13 plus measurement of CD is 9 into what is the height? 8 cm. Okay, now 2 is in denominator, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Okay, 13 plus 9 is 22 into 4, and make their product. 4 into 2 is 8, 4 into 2 is 8, that is a 88 centimeter square centimeter. Okay, that is the area of trapezium. Another example, question 2. In diagram PQ, RS length of PQ is 7 cm, segment PM is perpendicular to SR, that means that is the height. Length of SM is 3 and distance between two parallel side is 4 cm. Find area of trapezium. That is the diagram for this example. PQ RS. Okay, length of PQ is 7 cm. PQ is 7 cm. Segment PM is perpendicular, that means that is the height. And segment SM, that is the small side, that is the 3 cm. SM is equal to M. I will take here NR, that is also 3 cm. Okay, both are 3 cm. Distance between two parallel sides is 4 cm. Distance between two parallel sides, that is the height, it's the 4 cm. PQ, that part and that part are equal, that is the 7 cm. So that's total distance is 3 plus 7 plus 3, that is the 3 plus 3 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 3 is 13 cm. That means SR is equal to 13 cm. Okay, now take formula. Area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of length of parallel side into height. That is a half into sum of length of parallel side is 7 plus 13. 7 plus 13 into height is 4 cm. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, 7 plus 13 is 20 into 2, that is the 40 centimeter square. That is the area of that trapezium.